Step into the world where the legends rise. Fast hands, sharp mind, got that speed in my eyes. Again or more, what you wanna bet? Solve so clean, make the whole crowd sweat. Again 12, yeah, that's the vibe. Turning so light like it floats in time, cause so strong. Magnets collide, every rotation just feels so right. While on Worm V10 bow down, Moore's finest, yeah, that's the crown. Fast like a shadow, crisp like glass. One wrong move and I still move fast. We're about to the gods. Let the hands descend, lightning fast. No second guess, turn that cue. Let's break the test again. 12, word speed so raw. Gotta represent precision tight, no wasted moves. Fastest hands, I never lose. Maglev tech, let the quick just glide. No resistance, smoothest ride. Worm V10 built for pros. Cut so deep, got perfect flows. Got stout, wood got heat. Side by side, yet both the lead. Cuba's choice, that's a fight, but either way, I'm solving right. Using the cork, make it feel just right. Lube it up, let it shine so bright. Stack mad down, I'm set to win. One deep breath, then I lock it in. Legends rise, world records fall. Get 12, fastest of them all. While long steps up, no time to stall. Both stand tall in the Q God's hall. Shake, 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 I'm shaking, man. I respect the best, turn so fast, put the nerves to rest. Grip so light, yet I hold control. This my game, yeah, I own the goal. Don't choose your side, but respect the great. Every twist, yet it seals your fate. Get on more, kings at play. You God's rule, that's all I say. Two kings collide, the battle ignites. Magnetic blades spark in the night. Against precision, more use might. Which one rules? History decides. Break the limits, rewrite the pace. Shave a second, leave no trace. Final turn, the light shines through. Cue God's reign, now I rule. The battle is done, but the fire remains. Getting more kings of the game. Records fell, but the race ain't through. New hands rise, they're chasing the view. The time is stopped, but the echoes stay. Legends don't fade, they just pave the way. A kid picks up where we left behind. First all done, now he's locked in the grind. More than a game, more than a fight. It's the passion, the thrill, the speed, the light. Legends may rest, but never decay. New hands will rise, the gods replay.